Welcome to Zip Programming. In this tutorial, you will learn about Kotlin architecture. How Kotlin architecture works. Let's start our video. Kotlin is a programming language and has its own architecture to allocate memory and produce a quality output to the end user. Following are the different scenarios where Kotlin compiler will work differently whenever it is targeting different other kind of languages, such as Java and JavaScript. Kotlin compiler creates a bytecode, and that bytecode can run on the JVM, which is exactly equal to the bytecode generated by the java.class file. Whenever two byte-coded file runs on the JVM, they can communicate with each other, and this is how an interoperable feature is established in Kotlin for Java. Whenever Kotlin targets JavaScript, the Kotlin compiler converts the .kt file into ES5.1 and generates a compatible code for JavaScript. Kotlin compiler is capable of creating platform-basis compatible codes via LLVM. Please subscribe to support this channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then comment. I will reply as soon as possible.